Welcome. In this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on LG Gram. In order to take a screenshot on your PC, you can either use a combination of Windows Shift and S buttons pressed simultaneously, or alternatively you can just press print screen button on your keyboard and then just select one of the 4 available screenshot modes. The first one is the rectangular screenshot. In order to take a rectangular screenshot on your screen, you have to use this crosshair to create an area on your screen that you want to capture. As you can see, you can also edit this area in real time by adding some details, drawing on it. You can also use highlighter and other different tools. And once you're ready to capture this screenshot, click capture and the screenshot will be taken. Now if you click on the notification in the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll be able to preview your screenshot and also use the same editing tools at the top bar of the window. Now if once to save the edited version of the screenshot, click save as and then select the folder where you want to save your screenshot. And you can find your screenshot in the File Explorer, in Pictures folder, Screenshots. Let me sort them by date. Now the last taken screenshot is the one that was just taken. Now the other way to take a screenshot is the full screen screenshot, or no, is the window screenshot actually, but let me show you the full screen. So if you select full screen, the screenshot will be taken immediately and it's just a screenshot of your full screen. Now if you select Windows screenshot mode, you're gonna have to click the window you want to take a screenshot of, and screenshot will basically show only your window in which you took that screenshot. And the last option for the screenshot is the freeform screenshot. And to take a freeform screenshot, you basically just have to draw a shape on your screen that you want to capture, and once you draw it, the screenshot will look somewhat like this. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.